In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Lyft app on Android. We're going to use the official Google Play Store, which is the safest and most reliable place to get the Lyft app. This ensures you're downloading the genuine version from the real developer with up-to-date features and security. Before we start, make sure your phone is connected to the internet, ideally over Wi-Fi if you want to save mobile data, and that you have a little storage space available. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the store opens, tap the search bar at the top and type the word Lyft. As you type, suggestions may appear. Go ahead and tap the result that simply says Lyft. On the app page, confirm you've got the right one by checking two details. The developer should be listed as Lyft, Inc., and the icon features the recognizable black and pink Lyft logo. Verifying these details helps you avoid look-alike apps. When you're sure it's the correct listing, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. This can take a moment depending on your connection speed. If it seems to pause, just give it a little time. You'll see a progress indicator showing how it's going. Once the installation completes, the Install button changes to Open. Tap Open to launch the Lyft app right away. You can also find it later in your app drawer or on your home screen if a shortcut was added. At this point, the app is ready to use. When you first open Lyft, it will ask for permission to access your location. Go ahead and allow location access. This is important because Lyft uses your location to find nearby drivers, set accurate pickup points, and show real-time arrival updates. If your phone gives you options, choosing to allow location while using the app is a good balance of convenience and privacy, and you can always adjust this later in your phone's settings if needed. Next, you'll be prompted to sign up or log in. Follow the on-screen instructions to either create a new account or access an existing one using your email or phone. Once you're in, you'll be ready to request rides and explore the app's features. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded the Lyft app on Android, opened it, allowed location access, and you're ready to sign up or log in.